Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Seanaloune Khaosaath. I am a representative from Laos. It's a great pleasure to me and my delegation. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be here. Today, I'm so excited and happy. Okay, let's see. Let me show my presentation regarding the reviews and achievements of the Khaosaath program. Okay, next. So, five of these to reviews, experience, achievement, expertise, and conclusion. Yes. This background is implementing agreements between Department of Skill Development and Employment Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare of Lao PDR and Human Resource Development Service of Korea. And two cooperation files of skill development. This program to aim to establish sustainable skill development structure and enhance capacity building and cooperative purpose to the encourage. And next, experience for Laos have dispatched the trainer and computer to training in Khaosaath capacity building, and we have to 3 times to attend training. And for the 50-70 after both of country has signed independent English language and Laos, we start to implement to the enhanced cooperative in the field skill competition. Yes. So at the same occasion, in observing the NSC of the Korea also gather with the Philippines, Azerbaijan, and Costa Rica. Yes. And this photo to group photo at the 57, yes, to national skill competition. Yes. And next. And we allow also to attend to the national competition. This for the group photo in here, almost 10 countries was invited by the Khaosaath program, partnership program to conference and observation national skill competition. There are Azerbaijan, Costa Rica, and Germany, Indonesia, Kenya, Laos, Mongolia, Philippines, and Cambria, Uzbekistan, and Zambia. Yes. And for the first training in Korea, Laos sent the competitor and trainees to attend the training in the Korea. 6 skill to training in Korea. So the graphic design, web technology, fashion technology, cabinet making, mobile application development, and lesson processing and drawing system, right? And this after both country to have the site, and then we allow PDR to start the cooperation with Korea. Yes. So this skill, cabinet making and plastering, they are so happy and pay attention to work in here. They are so happy. And next, this also, yes, the best expert to teach them. So I'm so impressive also. And this web technology professor teach so the best, and I so impressive. And that's the fashion technology also, right? And the second training in Korea, Philippines and Laos works experience how together on the most important or provide expert and translator accommodation and transportation by Republic of Korea. We so have the web technology, fashion technology, and graphic design. Just three of skill. That's and school photo after finish training in Korea. Yes. So this picture I'm so impressive and so warm welcome by the Executive Director for the Global Institute for Transferring Skill Human Resource Development Service of Korea. So I'm so proud. Yes. And this photo, Philippine group photo, graphic design, joy with team together. They are so happy, right? And we so training in the third training. Recently, we send the 5 skill area to training in Korea. Web technology, IT network system administration, cabinets, carpentry, bricklaying. Yes. And so we are so impressive and would like to thank you for the SID Korea to support the tool and material to allow to support all of its skill area. Yes. And we allow also after finished training in Korea, recently Lao sent the competitor to ASEAN Singapore, World Skill ASEAN Singapore 2073. So we have a 5 skill area: fashion technology, electrical installation, web technology, graphic design, and cooking. Yes. And this photo so nice. So this fashion technology, she got the training from the Korea and she competed in Singapore. Yes. For the fashion technology, there are 6 countries to compete together: Thai, Singapore, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines. They competed together, right? And this electrical installation, and so there are Myanmar, Malaysia, Indonesia, Laos, and Singapore. There are 5 country competition. Right. This web technology allows Laos, Myanmar, Singapore, Indonesia, and Philippines. And this the chief expert and then competitor. So that time he's so present because many competitors from many countries. Yes, he look like that. Yeah, and the cooking. For the cooking, there are Thai, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and Laos. And this her photo for the achievement, Miss Buonam Janta Puwong. She got she received the Middle Regions for Excellence and Best of Nation in Fashion Technology However, it's not gold medal or silver, but we proud of her and impressive. After she had got opportunity training from Korea, because it's the big state, Lao have inspiration. Try to do the best in the future. If we have a lot of time to train, maybe we could receive the silver medal or gold medal. Yes. Recently, she got a promotion. She has a job from computer became to the trainer or teacher. Yeah. In status Manosin and design. Yes. Congratulations on her. Yes. And let me show the short video. Yes.
A huge congratulations.
Yes, we're so proud. And expect this in the future, Lao PDR hopefully to cooperation with the gift for the enhanced capacity building of skill competition, narrow out the skill gap in Lao PDR. And also the significantly is the platform development, the youth Lao workers all of all ethnic group to knowledge, skill, and to encourage them train towards and skill development. And the last one, conclusion. So we would like to thank you for the SRD Korea to provide the super expert, or the best expert, to train Lao trainers and competitors, and support of the tool and material by the SRD Korea, which we also get gratitude and impressive of SRD Korea. And last one, support the observation and accommodation and other. We so impressive and would like to thank you for the SRD Korea. Yes, for is the 감사합니다.